SAP FE Field Status Group. Field Status Group is assigned to GL account. Through Field Status Group, one can define a field as optional, suppressed, or mandatory. According to the field status groups, respective fields will be displayed are mandatory or suppressed when the postings are made to that GL account. All these field status groups are clubbed to a field status variant, and the field status variant is assigned to a company code. With this, field status groups from field status variant can only be assigned when a general ledger account is created for a company code. Suppress the field is hidden on the screen. Optional the field is available on the screen, you can keep it blank or fill it. Require the field is available on the screen, and you have to fill it. Display the field is available on the screen, but it's grayed out, you cannot fill anything in here.